Knowing your soul purpose can be one of the most empowering and life-altering moments of your life, because once you know your purpose, it shortcuts all of your decision making. Will doing this take me closer to or further away from fulfilling my soul purpose? So to find your purpose, you must understand yourself and the world around you. And if you need extra help with this, do my online Live Your Purpose program and I'll take you through step by step. I'll pop the link in the comments below. Meanwhile, if you're a self-starter, here's the foolproof hack to knowing your purpose. And keep in mind that you'll have more than one purpose. Plus, when you've completed one, the next one will show up. Because you have different purposes when you're young, when you're in school, when you're just starting out, than if you're already a parent or running your own business, right? And here's the foolproof hack to knowing what your soul purpose is. Where you feel wounded or betrayed, these are the neon signs of your soul purpose. Your primary purpose is to heal your wounds and to resolve what you believed, thought, said, did, or didn't do that attracted these people or situations into your life in the first place. They're not in your life by accident. You are in each other's lives by soul contract. So if you need to hear that again, replay the video until you really truly get it. And here's the steps to help clear it up for you, to help clear up what your soul purpose is. Meditate and be still. Being still and quieting your mind can help you to listen to your inner voice and find clarity. What are your wounds? Write them down. Journal your thoughts and your feelings. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can help to bring clarity and understanding to them. Who was involved in your wounds? Is it the same people repeatedly, or is it the same people, or is it different people who behave in a similar way, who treat you similarly? Connect with nature. Being out in nature can help you to gain perspective and feel grounded. What was your part in the wounds? What did you learn from these experiences? Have you still got something to learn from these experiences? Ask yourself empowering questions such as, what do I want to create in the world? What am I here to do? How can I use what I've learned from my experience to help others? How can I get paid for this? Reach out to a mentor or a trusted advisor. Talking to wise and experienced people can help you with insight and guidance, but ultimately you do actually need to decide for yourself. Don't listen to people who don't want you to do well. It's a no-brainer, right? If you're on a diet and someone offers you chocolates, or if you're off alcohol and someone offers you a drink, or if you're studying or trying to set up your own business and someone wants to distract you or have you continuing to work for them, then these are not the people to listen to. Don't ever share your dreams and goals with these people. Step back from these people. Listen to your intuition. Your intuition is your compass for finding your purpose, your direction, your soulmate, and where you put your phone or your car keys. Take action. Once you're connected with your purpose, take whatever action is necessary to bring it to life. Do whatever takes you closer to your goals and stop doing what takes you away from them. It's my wish for you that at the end of your life, you can look back with minimal regrets and don't just end up surrounded by a bunch of toys and still feel like something's missing. I've been helping people from every background, market niche and side of the street for over 40 years, helping them to heal their wounds and find their soul purpose and to live the life they were born for. And if you want to avoid making unnecessary mistakes and get help with this too, do my online courses and meditations or book in for mentor sessions with me. Take the right steps now, because you don't want to look back in another 5 months, in another 12 months, in another 2 years and still be in the same place you're in now.